Cloves. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the amazing world of cloves and why you need them in your diet now. First up, did you know cloves are loaded with antioxidants? That's right, these tiny buds help fight off those pesky free radicals, keeping your cells healthy. Think of them as your body's natural defenders. But wait, there's more where. Cloves are a superstar for your digestion. Feeling bloated or got a tummy ache? Cloves can help soothe your stomach and improve digestion. Say goodbye to those digestive dramas. And here's the kicker. Cloves are a natural pain reliever. Got a toothache or sore muscles? Cloves have been used for centuries to ease pain and inflammation. It's like having a mini first aid kit in your spice rack. Not only that, but cloves can also boost your immune system. Yep, they help your body fight off infections and stay strong. Especially handy during cold and flu season, right? So, what are you waiting for? Sprinkle some cloves into your tea, your smoothies, or even your cooking. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, big benefits come in small packages. And cloves are the perfect example of that.